we are going to Turkey Point. Just got the motorhome ready. Checked all the air pressures, checked the oil, tightened the belt. It's all loaded. I think we're good to go. Kelsey, are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, just got here about 30 minutes ago. Fire's rolling. Really nice dry wood. Kelsey, did you start the fire today?
Yes.
No, you didn't. Yeah, nice and close to the power. The power's right behind the motorhome. This is site 202. It's pretty big. The only thing I'd be worried about if it starts raining, the ground looks a little soft. Not much grass. But other than that, yeah, I think we're gonna make some gorilla dogs, have a couple beers, eat some popcorn, have a nice fire. So I already had too much over there. Making some gorilla dogs. It's three hot dogs, 2 slices of bread, sandwiched. Childhood favorite of mine.
Ooh, look at these babies.
Here.
Cool.
You see this one? Yeah, those guys are good.
Okay.
Time to eat.
Yeah.
Very good hot dogs. Childhood favorite.
It's good.
Mm-hmm. Some small upgrades from the old Canadian Tire egg holder machine, plus water jug.
How many liters? 20.
20. No broken eggs. Look at that. Just following up on a clip from last night. This is the grill a dog machine. 3 hot dogs. So you put a piece of bread, butter side face down, 3 hot dogs, piece of bread, butter side face up. And you clamp it, lock it, and then you cut the sides off because the bread overhangs, and that makes a gorilla dog. Very tasty.
Very tasty.
Kelsey didn't have one until last weekend. Now she wants them again.
It's very good.
It's a good sign. Also, we bought these coffee mugs, double walled, stainless steel. Better than our old small mugs, probably triple the size. That was good. Yeah.
Okay, there's a big bird sitting there. Do you see that? Look at him. There he is. Actually, I can get very close.
Today, we're using Kelsey's new favorite hot dog machine. Get it ready. Butter's nice and room temperature. Boom, boom, boom. This is salted butter, and with the hot dogs we have, it's pretty kind of salty, so recommend unsalted butter, but here we are. Pro tip. Okay, just like that. Hard part's over. Hot dog machine. One. In the cooler. Now I gotta open up the other pack. Not anything on me. Key it is. Use your most sanitary key you got. For best results.
Oh my god.
Number 3. So you kind of want to set them towards the front. Space them out right. Looks pretty good. Bread number 2, same direction. There you go. Boom. Lock it in place. Now we get to excess cut off. That's all she wrote. Ready for the fire. Definitely a lot easier during the day. So then we don't need a light to check them out. Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh, I'm stealing the bread from the other one. Didn't grab that well. They were mix ketchup mayo combo.
How's that? Good? Oh yeah. I'll try.
Okay, we just finished breakfast, cleaning up. We're all ready to go. We had a really good time here. Yesterday, we just went for like a 2-hour walk down to the beach and back, and we had a very long campfire. And that was good. We enjoyed ourselves. Right, Kelsey?
Yeah.
But yeah, this is definitely not the place for swimming. Like, it's easily a 30-minute walk there and back, so you definitely have to drive to the beach. But lots of nice biking, I think. Trails, not so much, but yeah, all the roads have a nice shoulder that you can bike on. So, hey, we're gonna head out.
Yep. We just did our tasting in there.
So they have 28 acres of grapes here. Tobacco farm.
Yep.
Beautiful day though. Not a cloud in the sky. A little chilly, but perfect.
Mm-hmm.